Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy. Please don't go bad, yo. Mama don't need.
Hey guys, it's me Elise. So I've been really feeling these little V-part wigs lately just because I like options. Like if I want to pull out my hair, I want that option. If I want to just kind of do like the little crochet method, I want that option. Or if I'm real lazy, I just want to just throw it on and go and wear it the way how it's intended to be worn. I want that option. So y'all are gonna see a lot of V-part wigs coming up because y'all, I like options. But I have this wig from UNICE and they are on Amazon Prime, and I will leave all the information and details in the info section below. The wig that I have is their kinky curly V-part wig, and this is what it looks like. My wig is 18 inches long. It has that 4x1 inch V-part opening, and this wig is also 180% density. You can either wear it once again how it's intended to be worn, you know, just kind of throw on and go with a little bit of fluffing of the inner track part, or you can wear it the way that I'm wearing. I'm going to be pulling out some hair. I love pulling out a little bit of my hair. I feel like I can get a very natural look. But I went ahead and I co-washed the wig, and this is what it looks like. I just let it sit and air dry overnight. So this is my natural hair, and y'all stop judging me because I already know I need to redo my hair. I need to wash my hair. There's so much I need to be doing to my hair, but I just been so busy with this whole move. Y'all, we're trying to get ready to move, and I've literally been neglecting myself. But I already know I'm gonna wash my hair. You guys just give me a little bit more time and some grace. But my hair has been braided up in these braids for about a month now. So I'm gonna see if I still have some definition. So I just put a little bit of oil on my fingertips, and I'm just going to unbraid my hair, and I'm seeing a little bit of definition come through, so I'm happy about that. You guys ignore the flakes. It's a little bit of product buildup. I use a lot of product on my hair when I braid my hair back, and I continue to oil my scalp as I'm wearing these little braids. So you're gonna see a lot of product builds up, but it's nothing. It's just like a little bit of flakes here and there, but just ignore it for now.
Original bad man, you done know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going.
I'm using my fingertips just to kind of break apart these curls, just to kind of create a little bit of frizz, just so it looks like my hair, because y'all, my hair is super frizzy. So I went ahead and I did that, and I adjusted the straps to where I can get a nice custom fit. So I do have my hair in straight back cornrows, so I'm using those two outer braids just to anchor the little wefted clip onto, and I'm just going to use the two wefted clips in the front. I'm not going to use the two in the back just because I don't really need them like that. But be very careful when you're anchoring down the wig, because you don't want these little clips to rip through your hair. Don't have it anywhere near your edges. I'm kind of putting mine back about a ½ inch behind my hairline. You can probably scoot it back a little bit more. However, this is okay for me, so therefore my edges are a little exposed and we're not seeing like the track along the edge of the wig. So I went ahead and I anchored my wig down there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend my natural hair in with the wig.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh. Baby, make you ginger, and I go ginger.
And this is what this wig is looking like. You guys, this wig is super lightweight. It's so fluffy. Like, it reminds me of when I do a braid out on my hair. The only issue is that this wig is nice and full, whereas my hair is a little bit on the thinner side and I need a trim in the worst way. But this is like a good little way to be able to get a very natural looking look without using your hair, especially if you're like myself and you're too busy to the point where you haven't had time to wash your hair to get a nice clean braid out or anything like that. So this is definitely a good little option. Now, once again, this wig does come from UNICE and they can be found on Amazon Prime. I will have all the information and details in the info section below. If you guys want to save a little bit extra cash, be sure to use their discount code, which is UNICE WIG, to save a little extra. Once again, this is what this wig is looking like. You don't have to use your hair. You can definitely wear the wig how it's supposed to be worn, or you can do the crochet method. I will be sure to link those videos in the cards above just in case you guys are interested. However, I like a good blending moment to where you can use your own hair to get a very natural look. But once again, you guys check out UNICE. Everything will be listed down below. Let me know what you guys think and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.